Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening my Boxy charm for this month. I have to get this open. I am still sick. I've been sick for like almost 2 weeks now, and this is like the most normal that I have sounded in a while, so it's exciting. I almost am back to normal. I don't know what I got, but it did not want to leave me, and I even went to a doctor and they were like, oh, you don't need to take anything, you just are gonna have to just get rid of it eventually, like on your own. It's going away slowly or whatever. And I was like, okay, I guess that's cool. And I went like 7 days after being sick. I was like hoping they would give me something to get rid of it faster, but they didn't want to do that, which is fine. It's almost gone now, so that's the good news. I cannot open this. I thought you guys should know I'm starting to feel a little bit better. And then, there we go. I got it open. Okay. So, I don't know why I like it so much, but I think it's so cute. I'm actually super excited for this Boxy charm because they like post sneak peeks, you know, basically. Here's this little thing. But they post like the sneak peeks of what you're gonna get. And the palette, I have been waiting to get a palette like this, so I'm super excited about it. But first, we're gonna look at these brushes. So these brushes are made by the same company that made that really cute yellow palette a while back, like 2 boxes ago I think. And they're just like these cute green brushes, and these retail at $18 for this set, which is actually, that's a good deal I think, and they feel like they're good quality, like they're gonna do some awesome beautiful makeup. So yeah, I love brushes. They are just so exciting. I hate cleaning brushes, so I always like getting new brushes, even though I should clean my other brushes more often, but you know, sometimes that just doesn't sound like fun, you know? Yeah, new brushes are always my favorite thing. So this is from Laura Geller, and it is the Baked Blush and Brighten. Ooh, look how pretty. That is beautiful. Let's see if I can swatch it well enough. So that is that, which is like perfect for me because it's pink, and that retails at $28. Next, I got this Butter London Glazin Lustrous Liner, and it says Shake Me, and this is $19. Look at this. Nice and black. Just like I like it. I will definitely have to try this out because I love eyeliner. I'm not wearing any right now because I wanted more of a natural cute look. Sorry, my cat is climbing things. Next is Hank and Henry Petal Pusher Matte Liquid Lipstick. I'm like terrified to open this. Oh, that's actually super cool. So, okay, this is actually gonna sound ridiculous. So they did post the lip colors, or not the lip colors, but like the different lips you were gonna get, and this was like a lipstick tube. So I was like, oh, I really don't want a lipstick, like a lipstick. Girl, I'm ridiculous. This is just a liquid lipstick shaped like a lipstick in a tube, but it goes on like a matte like a matte lipstick. Ugh. I'm actually super excited I got this now. And this color is very pretty. Who knew? And there's an owl on this. That's cute. That's hilarious. So this is the color. And this retails at $17. And now the exciting part. The Pretty Vulgar palette, and it's Nightingale, I guess. is what this is called. Yeah. Nightingale. It's so cute. I just love it. It's shaped as like a little bird cage. I have seen these on their like Instagram before. I was like, oh my gosh, I hope to God they're gonna have those again because it's just so cute. And here it is. So this retails for $35. So that's a really good deal. This is perfect for me. There's a matte white and a shimmery white, and then this beautiful like tannish color. So this is just awesome, and then the colors are super cute. Like this is like the perfect palette for like a smoky, like elegant smoky eye. Oh yeah, I'll definitely have to do something awesome with this palette because it is just so cute. I can't even with it. I'm so excited about it. But yeah, so that is this month's Boxy charm. I was like super excited mostly for this only. All the other stuff is these two. These are what I was super excited about. Like super stoked. So, and then the rest is just like bonus. And then this is not what I was expecting it to be, which is funny. Get the trusty calculator out so that we can add all this up. 18. So that's pretty good though. $21 to get this box, and this makeup and everything retails at $117 regularly. So that is a pretty good deal. Like I said in the video before this video, every box I swear gets less and less. It's actually kind of weird. Like from the very first one I ever opened to now, it's gotten lower and lower and lower, which is weird to me. But the makeup is like really good and the brands are really good, so that's cool still. This is exciting. This is the Wildflower box. So that was my Boxy charm. I actually am really excited to do a look with this. I can do a pretty like full look with the makeup that came in this box, because you get like a blush, an eyeliner, eyeshadow, brushes, and blush. No, I said that already. And lipstick. I can't even talk. But yeah, so that was my Boxy charm for this month. That's the version I got. I know they've gotten really good about putting like a few different products in, so they're not all exactly the same, which is awesome, which actually makes it more exciting to open. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to, and hopefully I will not sound so sick eventually, and I might not even sound sick in this because it doesn't pick up my sickness like I hear it, so who knows. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys!